If you see any irrigation issues or you're just unsure if stuff's not working right, give us a call. We'll come out to your house and we're gonna check everything for you. First thing we're gonna do is when we get on your property is we're gonna locate your irrigation controller. We're gonna start flipping through the zones one by one, paying attention to rotor patterns, spray areas, and any areas that might not be getting watered. From there, we're gonna start making some adjustments. Those adjustments might be minor, they might be major. Other things we're gonna look for is any kind of line leak. When we do irrigation repairs, we're gonna replace all the broken stuff with top of the line Rainbird equipment, drip line, rotors, and controllers. When we get done repairing your irrigation system, we're gonna knock on the door, we're gonna go through all the parts that were replaced or installed, and then we're gonna send you a detailed invoice description showing you what was done on every zone that was on your property. If you're having an issue with your irrigation system, give DalaCasa a call and we'll get you taken care of.